Red Coach is pioneering the concept of luxury, non-stop, or one-stop bus travel throughout a growing range of southeastern cities. In about the same amount of total time it takes to fly to your destination, you can get there aboard Red Coach for a fraction of the cost. And instead of being stuck behind the wheel of a car, you could be reading, relaxing, enjoying onboard movies, or getting work done at a cost that's easily competitive with driving. Limited to just 27 fully reclinable imported leather seats, each Red Coach liner offers true first-class comfort. Lap desks, complimentary Wi-Fi, and standard power outlets are available for all passengers. Or just sit back and enjoy outstanding onboard movies. Red Coach depots are located in convenient, safe areas. Arrive just 15 minutes in advance with no long lines or long waits. Check 2 bags and carry on 1 for free. Then sit back, relax, and travel in style with peace of mind, knowing you're helping to reduce automobile exhaust emissions. Travel comes down to time, cost, convenience, and comfort, and nobody delivers it all like Red Coach. For business or pleasure, there's simply no ride like Red Coach.